Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this DigiProduct Lab review. Now, what DigiProduct Lab is a platform that is going to enable you to create digital products online that you can sell, preferably through affiliate networks, but doesn't have to be. Could be through your site, could be through your mailing list or whatever. The reason digital product selling is such a lucrative way to make money online is because you don't really need a lot of things to get started. And one of the main things that you don't need is a mailing list or even an audience. Because the way affiliate marketing works is you have marketers who have the audience, but they need a product. And then there's you with the product that the marketers are always looking for, but you don't have an audience. And so you split the commissions, and it's an everybody wins, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours kind of situation. The marketers make money and you make money, but you make the bulk of the money because you're the one with the product and you're getting access to, possibly, 10 to 20 affiliate marketers mailing lists. So what Digital Product Lab is going to do is help you expedite that process, because with this, you don't even need a product. It's going to give you PLR products, done for you packages that you can just use, customize, and resell. Today we're going to take a deep dive, walk through, demo look at DigiProduct Lab, and as well as that, I'm going to show you some really unique, exclusive bonus products that I've gotten for you personally that are going to help you get the absolute most out of DigiProduct Lab, so you can just really hit the ground running with just a huge package. Now, if you want to check out DigiProduct Lab at any time during this video, you just click the link in the description. That will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. It has the legal stuff at the top, my contact details if you run into any problems. You have a brief description about everything, as well as my video and all my bonuses. Now, the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the DigiProduct Lab sales page. So by clicking on these green buttons, that will lock in all of these bonuses before launching you off to the vendor sales page. And so really quickly, I'll just take you through the bonuses that I have on offer for you. The first one is called 7-Figure Mastery. Now, this is going to help you out because if you're just getting into making money online, or even if you're a veteran, this product is a massive 32-part course that really covers everything from affiliate marketing, setting up an online business, driving traffic from social media, SEO, anything you can think of. If you are creating a product, this is going to really help you set up that back-end business for yourself that you can really sell the product through. It's going to build trust. It's going to help you be able to do more things in the future. Bonus number 2 is more honed in on what we're trying to accomplish with DigiProduct Lab. So I've got a new digital empire, how to build a profitable business with in-demand digital products, and white label profit plan, which is proven strategies to making money with white label licensing. That's essentially what we're doing. So 2 different products from different creators, but with a lot of good info in each that is going to really help you not only when you're creating your digital product or customizing a done-for-you product, but also getting it out there and marketing it. Okay, you can never learn too much about the digital selling space because it's always evolving. So 2 really cool up-to-date products for you to learn from here. Bonus number 3, another 2-part bonus. I've got a new $1 million copy and mass persuasion secrets. So these are going to go hand in hand to really help you to understand your marketing, because at the end of the day, you create a product, but no one's going to even buy your product. No one's even going to want to look at that product unless your marketing is good, okay? Marketing wins over quality even, okay? That's like a hard and fast rule. So at the end of the day, you've got your digital product that you're putting out there. How do people begin to care about it? Well, they begin to care about it because you've got to understand persuasion, how to trigger emotions in people, how to make people feel like they need something by hitting on pain points, triggering their cognitive biases in their brain, compelling them to make decisions. And how do you do that? You do it in your headings, your descriptions, your marketing copy, your sales page copy, which you can also create in DigiProduct Lab, as well as your email copy. if you don't know how to write copy, if you don't know about persuasion, you're not going to sell anything. So I've gotten you two very different but very useful products on persuasion, which you can then apply to your copy. Bonus number 4 is social media income. Now usually these are sold individually, but I just packed them all together, as you can see on the screen here. And I've gotten you Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest versions. What that's going to do is really help you to build up these main 5 social media platforms and understand the nuances of each, and how to really be effective on each, because they do work all a little bit differently. Each one has its kind of own language. Some content might work on one platform but not the other, and what people usually do is just try to spam on all of them in the same way, and it doesn't really work. So if you are creating a digital product, social media is where people are at. There's no better place to drive traffic from. This is going to help you do it. Bonus number 5 is I've gotten you access to all of the vendor bonuses. Now, the vendors hooked me up with a ton of bonuses. I think 20 bonuses. So really quickly, we've got list building expert. That's going to help you for when you do start getting email addresses from people buying your products. It's going to help you how to manage your contacts and how to sell in your email list. 100 e-course publishing tips. So you might not be selling a course, but the publishing and the marketing, there are definitely overlaps, if not being exactly the same. This is going to help you with that. I've got you speedy content publishing tips. Publish faster to make more money. What else have we got? SlideShare tips, videos. This is going to be great for when you're marketing, slide sharing especially. You know, a lot of people don't like going on YouTube to market. They'd rather just have a voiceover and show slides. This is going to help you market effectively doing that. So that's those bonuses. Then we have these bonuses called the Affiliate Traffic Lab Product Vault. So you're going to get access to these bonuses, which include products like $300 CPA every day, $500 CPA every day, the coffee shop method, cash hacks, traffic jacker, cash magnet, the commission glitch, 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, $100 CPA daily, commission profit hack, instant traffic jacker, and the commission magnet. So, you know, a ton of value here. If that all sounds good to you, again, go through the link in the description. You'll come to this bonus page. You click on this button, that will lock in all those bonuses we just talked about, and that will launch you off to the sales page, okay, immediately. I would recommend going through the sales page, checking out all the information. There's testimonials, demos, and functions and features and information on different versions, so you can see what's right for you. You can make a more informed decision. If you do purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, or you can find it at jvzoo.com under My Purchases, and what you'll be led to is a screen that looks like this. So again, under this green button will be DigiProduct Lab, and under the blue button will be all of those bonuses. So as I said, you're getting one big bundle. You can access everything immediately. Any problems, my email address is right here. Hit me up, don't hesitate to do so. Word of warning really quickly is that this is a launch week special, so keep your eye on this countdown timer. It may be adjusted, it might not, but the point is get in sooner rather than later, because when it does hit 0, any discount pricing you see will be over with, prices will go up, bonuses will be gone. So I do recommend you get in as quick as you can if you think it's right for you. So what we're going to do now is get into a quick demo of DigiProduct Lab. So let's get into it. So when you enter DigiProduct Lab, you'll get a dashboard which looks like this, and you'll just get certain statistics about things that you've created. And what I would do first is come down to training. Now the training is not too extensive, but it's extensive enough where you get a lot of in-depth information about how to really use the platform effectively. After you've done that, go down the list. We have an ebook creator. Now, I've released books before on Amazon before I got into making money online and teaching that. And this ebook cover is better than Amazon, which is pretty crazy considering Amazon is the biggest company in the world, pretty much. So you come over here and create a cover. So let's create a 3D book cover. And you have a couple of templates here. Now just note that these are all very customizable, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go with the simplest one. Give it a name. So let's create, I don't know, a cooking product. Let's create a make money product, all right? So we choose the template and we go to create. So what I like about this editor is that it's completely customizable. If you've ever tried to publish a book on Amazon, you cannot move any of these elements, and it's super, super frustrating. So here we can change titles really easily. And, you know, move them around. We can add images. The cool thing about adding images is that you can search Pixabay or Flickr. Let's just type in money and just see what comes up. Okay, oh sweet. I like this one with the jar. Use image. And you can just drag that down. It actually reminds me a little bit of Wix website creator, because there's just no kind of boundaries on anything. You can just move things wherever you want. So that'll be our let's change this today. So it's really garbage what I've created, but it's just an example. So we'll go to save and close, and we go back here, and let's see, yeah, it's down here. So now we can create an ebook. Okay, let's create our content. So you can create manually, create from URL. You can upload a book if you have it. You can choose done for you ebooks that you have rights to, and yeah, and you can create from articles. So we're gonna try this. Now here's an article called Planning Your Finances. Show off a killer sense of humor. You know, all different kinds of articles. You can just browse through that have the word money. I mean, I was pretty broad with just that one term. So let's choose this one, and I'm just going to put a tick by it and go create. Now I could have put them all in there, right, if you think about it. So now I have, you know, my content. So I can give it a title, make money, author, that's me, and, you know, descriptions, summary, you get the point. You can do your chapters, you know, very, very customizable. Let's save the changes, and we'll go back to the library, and we can see our ebook there. We can give it a preview, and there it is. There's our one table of contents and our one article there. Now you could see how easy I could have chosen, you know, 20 articles, and that was just off one search word, and I'd have how many chapters? You know, I'd have like, you know, I'd have a 1,000-page book if I wanted to, in what, 5 minutes? And it would be legal because these are PLR products. So we have our book and we have our cover page, okay? Now, done for you packages, here is another route you can take. So these are products that you can give away. So for example, belly fat reduction system. We go into that. We literally don't have to do anything. We've got a squeeze page URL right here. Let's check it out. See, we have a landing page that we can edit, and we can just go ahead and use that straight away as our product and then drive traffic however we see fit. We can generate licenses, so if we have a if someone buys the agency version of one of our products, we can create licenses for them. Bonus builder, we can create bonus pages similar to my bonus page that you just saw, okay, or content griller, or one of those kind of products. So for example, let's take a look at a bonus page, and it generates the bonus page, the thank you page, and the download page for you. And you see how it looks really similar to my bonus page. You know, it has the product, it has the features, and like a lock-in button. Okay, so you can auto-generate those bonus pages similar to how mine looks, similar layout. And then if you're selling a digital product through an affiliate network, you just put your download link in there, and then you have all your links here that you need. DigiProduct Lab also comes with bonuses if you choose that upgrade, where you can create bonuses, and you can create a style of bonus cover. Okay, you can even do that. So just a ton so it's really just everything you need to create a product. You need a cover, you need content in the product, of course. You need to create a landing page, sales page. This is there. If you want to put bonuses, you can do that. Everything is really the click of a button. And if you do have problems, you've got help down here. And you can get help and support whenever you want. There are also various upgrade options here. If you do decide you want to get more out of the product and see the upgrade options, you can do that too. And that's exactly what we're going to look at right now, is the different pricing options. So the front end, you're already getting a massive amount of value here. You can check all this information out in my bonus page, and it's only $19.97 during the initial launch week. Then it'll go up to the normal $27. You can upgrade to unlimited, allows you to create digital products and e-covers unlimited, additional templates, more features, more digital products that you can use, which allow you to just keep selling a whole bunch of products and contacting marketers, and just, you know, keep that money-making hamster wheel going with different products every week. One-time offer number 2 is automated traffic. So you get a done-for-you traffic stream. You get buyers, Facebook and Google Ads pixels, training included, training on really just getting traffic. That'll go well with my social media income bonus that I got for you. One-time offer number 3 is done-for-you funnels. So sales funnels that are really going to take the guesswork out of, you know, the customer buying journey from when they are marketed to, and from there going through to your landing pages, through to buying your product, through to going to your email list, and then maybe being upsold or remarketed to later down the track. If you don't know about sales funnels, you haven't learned too much about them, this might help you out. List builder funnels, so this goes into your mail responder automation there. Bonus builder app, this is going to help you build bonuses and build bonus pages. We had a quick look at that before. And then the final one-time offer is if you want to resell DigiProduct Lab, you can do that for $197. Sell it to your clients, or remaster it and sell it as your own product and make commissions on this product yourself. So just a ton of value here when you take into consideration the launch week price of $19.97, and I think you're getting around about 30 products, maybe more, free bonus products, some of them worth a lot more than the product itself. So I do recommend getting in early. You only need to get the front-end license to get access to all of those bonuses, so I do recommend getting in sooner rather than later so you don't miss out. DigiProduct Lab also comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so, you know, it is a risk-free option. It is going to make you money. It is a proven method. It's something that a lot of people are doing. It's something that I'm doing, and it does work. And it's taking the guesswork out for people who've never done it before. So a lot of value for, you know, 20 bucks. If you do have further questions, you can hit me up in the comments below. That way other people can learn from your questions, or feel free to hit me up on social media or email. I do answer every question that I get as soon as I can. Otherwise, enjoy DigiProduct Lab, and hope you love the bonuses, and yeah, I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.